My name is Dura.
My name is Badravin.
We are from Zalora, and we have been 7 years working together with Talent Houz.
I'm Alice. I'm working in Lowland Manufacturing Malaysia Sdn Bhd and MI Services Malaysia Sdn Bhd. I know Talent Houz almost 10 years.
I'm Pio. I, as a HR manager from Singtech, I have been worked together with Talent Houz for 6 years.
Saya Zila from HR. Saya dah bersama Talent Houz sudah agak lama.
We feel comfortable to work together with Nicole as she is the one who lead our process in submitting our documentation to KDN for foreign workers hiring.
You can respond to our demand and meet our requirements. Talent Houz able to meet our culture to solve the problem.
I think in terms of service, Talent Houz has provided very professional service to us. So any problem happen to the workers, they will always support to the company and also always come for discussion before any action has been taken.
Nicole shows very responsible toward her job because she keep in touch from me and Badrul on how we can compile all the documentation on time and to make sure we submit the correct document needed from the KDN.
So I feel comfortable to work with Talent Houz, and I think Talent Houz is reliable, and I believe they will continue to improve to meet the customers' requirement.
I will say their staff is also very professional and also take the action very fast. Anything that we highlight to them, they will try to solve and feedback to us. Even cannot solve, also they will feedback to us or give some suggestion to us to solve the problem. Reliable.
Trust. Talent Houz memang kita boleh percaya. Sangat bertanggungjawab. Itu yang penting.
Talent Houz
Is very responsible.
responsible means they take care of the staff engagement, welfare, the attendance, salary, everything is good Based from the feedback from our workers, they happy to work together with Talent Houz.
It will be a multinational company in future.